Monday morning, time to start the day. Open my laptop, ready to slay. But where's my tool to keep everything in line? It's more sheets, baby, gonna make it all fine. Super spreadsheet, you keep me organized with your rows and columns. My work is stylized. I can track my tasks, set deadlines too. Smart sheet.